Hello guys, welcome once again to AVFX Hub. Had previous videos I posted on the YouTube channel, and big thank you to all those that liked it. Really do appreciate. Okay guys, we get to look at how you can make good entries in your trade, and also second entries, so you don't have to chase the trade even if the trade has gone ahead. You don't have to chase the trade. If you see a second a second move or a second entry in your setup, you can ride the trade and be profitable. So we're going to see how you're going to do that, how you're going to be in a trade, taking your second entry and still ride the trade to profitability or to profit. Um, let's see this chart here, the GBP USD. Okay. Now, if you look at this chart closely, you're gonna see. Actually, I'm in a session. I just wanted to drop these videos so we get to see something and learn from it, how we take our trades here at AVFX Hub. All right, so guys, it's the trade is already in session. I'm actually putting this while session is on, but what's more important is you getting the idea of how you're going to make your trade entries today. Basically, we're talking about your second entry, how you're going to take your second entry, okay, on levels or downtrend, how the market condition presents itself, okay, whether it's in the downtrend market or it's an uptrend market. All you just want to see is the analysis playing out, okay, analysis backing your setup. All right, this is the GBP USD, yeah. We're going to zoom in now, okay. Now, if you look at this chart here, price has gotten to this point, so we're expecting price got to this high here. Hope you all can see this. Let me shift this up. It does actually move, okay, signifying that price can end anytime soon if it gets to a key level, okay. Now, price actually got to a high here where we can see this happening. This is the high here, okay. This is actually a pattern that's formed here, okay, a reversal pattern. That's a double top, okay. I'm just taking all that so we get to understand what we'll be expecting when we see our trades, okay, what we'll be expecting when we see our trades. All right, so let's just go straight to what we actually want to talk about today. All right, so this is it. Now, how do I take this trade? Having seen my pattern forming, first, this is a previous high here, okay. I'm at that. All right, I'm at this low here, the previous low here, okay. And I'm going to mark this point as well, though market is still in session, so price hasn't got to this point. All right, but based on what I'm going to explain here, it's going to help you to be able to make an entry into your trade. All right, what I'm going to explain here is going to help you make an entry into your trades. All right, now I could as well mark this level here, okay, or I could mark here, but any of it, you can take this or you can mark here, right? We don't want to make our chart all full of lines and the rest. We just want to make it, just want it to have the lines that we are going to use for our trade entries, okay? Just need to keep it simple. All right, so now look at this chart here. Now, this is the move where you're seeing price moved this after getting to this high here, created a resistance level. This is a resistance as well. All right, this is the previous high. Okay, this was the previous high. Now this other high, this resistance level, okay, went beyond this other resistance level here, giving us this pattern so I discussed earlier. Okay, now most traders seeing this, they'll write the trade. Okay, good, very good. Now we're talking about second entry. All right, now I've seen, or we've seen price move down to this point. All right, now you don't just expect price to just keep going down or keep buying without some pullbacks or some retracement to help it gain momentum to be able to continue the trend, okay, the dominant trend direction, okay, DTD. So price actually got to this point and there was a move there. All right, guys. Now, what you're expecting is a little retracement, right? A little retracement. So price actually is going to retrace. We don't know how far, but I'm going to show you something really practical here, and you're just going to just observe, and I think you're going to like it. Now, we don't know how far price is going to retrace because we are not in control of the market, all right? We're not in control of the market, but I'd like you to look at something. Now, this is a previous high here, okay? A resistance level, all right? Now, this is a low, okay? This is a low, all right? Now, price will always want to take out either a high or a low, just like you saw here. All right, this was resistance level. This other resistance level took out this resistance level. This was a low. Okay, even all here you have lows forming here. Okay, and this other low here took out all these lows. Okay, you can see that they engulf all of these. Now, this is where the main selling pressure is. Okay, the main selling pressure is around here. So definitely price is going to break this low here, okay? This previous low. So understanding price action, understanding what the market is going to do, the momentum behind it is going to help you to trade, okay? So the sell pressure here, okay guys, the sell pressure here, just gonna write here sell P, okay guys, it's the sell pressure here is going to help price take out this low, okay, this low, and okay, and also you have some zones here, guys. Maybe I'll drop a video on zone basically has to do with where price really ranges. These are spikes, okay, all these spikes really create a zone, and there are resistance level here, and then this price broke into that zone, forming a support, okay, you get me, and that's the retracement we have in there. All right, so good. Now, how do you enter this trade, this pullback? Simple. My second entry, permit me to, okay, I'm going to leave this here, but guys, don't get confused. Now, this is it, okay. I'm expecting price to break out this low, okay, then get into this resistance zone here, this zone here, okay, and form a support and lead to retracement, and then I'll take myself because of the selling pressure here. All right, now how do I trade that? Look at the chart. These are my candlesticks. Okay, this are all price action for me here. Okay, telling me I can be in the trade. All right, good. Now I don't just see maybe a bearish candlestick and then whoa, I'm in the trade. No, that's not how I trade. Okay, now all of these tiny lows for me here. Show you guys price action. I like to see price break all of these. I like to see price break these tiny lows here. Okay, and definitely price broke it, giving us a doji here. Okay, and we know price is downward. Okay, so no matter the indecision, we know there's going to be a decision made, and this is our bearish bar. Okay, so this is where I'll make my entry. Okay, I'm going to put my SL here. You see how it is? Nice second entry. So nice with a little risk. You can see your risk. A very little risk. Okay, guys? So that's it. That's how your second entry can be profitable at times. Okay, you can see the second entry there. You can see the second entry there. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to just write this out for you to see. Okay, that's the second entry. You see how price went there, right? You can see it broke out all of these tiny lows of these candles here. Okay, then you can see the move. All right, that's a nice move. You'll be in good profit there. Okay, so that's just one of the second entries on this pair. Okay, now let's say you miss this other second entry. Okay, you're like, oh, I've missed this. I can't take the trade anymore. No, you still have a chance of being in that trade. Okay, you still have a chance of being in that trade. Let's look at the chart briefly. Okay, now this is a low. Remember when I said this is a previous low here? There's a previous low here. Okay, see this previous low. Okay, fine. Now price got to this low, this point here. Okay, you can see price, this low price got here. Okay, you can see now price gave a little pull back. All right, now you'll be like, I can't trade that. You can. That's why this video is going to help you to know a little bit about your price action and how you can make the entry. Okay, now look at this chart closely, guys. Look at it very, very closely. Just follow me and you'll see exactly what I'm trying to say here. Let me zoom this in. All right, fine, good. Now this is it. Now this is a bullish trap. We're like, this is support level now. So price came here. Wow, another support level. Wow, a candlestick confirmation, and I'm going to take the buy. No, you get bonds here and in loss. Okay, so you don't take trades like that. So you understand. You just wait for this bullish trap setup to play out. Okay, when it plays out, you wait for a candlestick, a bearish candlestick to form. Okay, this is a rejection here. Okay, price rejected this zone. You can see this is the only candlestick, only pin bar that broke this support level here. Okay, and this is another bearish pin bar here. So most interestingly, some traders will just open uh, their pending, put their pending order here, and then put their SL here. Okay, good, but I don't like trading it that way. Okay, I'm showing you how I like to take the trade and how you can take the trade as well. All right. So we're basically talking about second entries here. Second entries. All right. So now, how do you be in that trade? Very simple. You're going to understand a little bit of price action. So I'm going to wait for price candlestick to break this candlestick forming, this bearish candlestick forming, to break the low of this candle. Okay, then I'll put my pending order there. Okay, then I put my SL here. Okay, so that's my second entry with a confirmation. Okay, you didn't miss out in the trade, but if you understand, if you didn't understand price action, you'll be like, market has gone past me, or you could just open your orders in anyhow and it hits your SL and be like, it's a downtrend market, I can sell. The market is not against me. No, you can hit your SL, you can be in the wrong tone, okay? And there you write your trade. Also, you have a lot of second entries, here, okay? You can see this one too. This is a resistance. Why? Because it broke this level here, all right? This support level, this price, the whole of this candlestick here, okay, broke this support level, okay, making it support on resistance, okay, and give a candlestick confirmation, and then we'll end the trade. All right, so that's it, guys. We're not going to talk about these levels, okay? No, price is still in session, but just get to understand, and you can put it into practice. All right, so but I'm going to take another trade before, just look at another pair before we call it a day. Okay, this is the AUD NZD. Okay, is the AUD NZD. We've seen price got to this high. All right, we just mark out our levels. Okay, there's a previous high here too. All right, this is our previous high here too as well. Okay, you can take this here if you want to. All right. Okay, let me just leave it here for most of us. And this is a previous low. Okay, now you can see I marked out these levels. All right, this previous low. Good. Now remember what we talked about, our second entry. All right, I was thinking price has left me, or we're thinking, oh, we're no longer in the trade. Price has gone far. We're no longer in the trade. Let's start chasing the trade. No, 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 no. That's going to be a bad idea. Okay, that's really going to be a bad idea. You don't chase a trade. Don't you ever chase a trade. You just wait for your second entry. Understand what price action is trying to tell you, what price is trying to tell you, and understand the action there. Okay, maybe the price action, the whole movement, right? All right, the whole movement there. So let's look at this trade here. Okay, we've seen this move. Okay, we've seen all of this move, and you'll be like, price is making lower high, lower low. Yes, you'll be in the trade, but you want to see how you can enter, make a very good entry. All right, good. So this is my previous high. Is another high here, and want to see what price is going to do. This price here didn't come to this level here. Okay, this price didn't come to test the support level. It just went up. Okay, it came back here and tested this level. Now I'm going to just follow me. I'm going to show you guys something. And price went again, gave what? A pullback bottom. Now remember when I told you guys, we just sit down and watch the trap. The buyers came into this market here, seeing this support level here too. Okay, they pushed the market, came back again, retested the support level again. Okay, you can see it, and gave a pullback bottom and took the buy. Now we all know that's a trap, so we just wait and see if truly it's going to work out as we plan. And this is a request resistance level, and the second resistance level. So the whole of this now is a failed bullish setup, making it a bullish trap. So we can trade this failed pullback here, okay, by taking the sell at this resistance level. So guys, you see how simple it is. You see how simple it is, and you take the trade, you're in good profit. All right, in good profit. See how simple it is. How simple it is. You don't need to stress yourself. You just understand price action and understand what the market is actually doing. Okay, why I said you can't really just be trading lower high, lower low. Not all of you can actually have the appetite to take these risks. Is your let's say you're trading your lower high here and your lower low. Yes, you're actually correct. Your lower high here, okay, and your lower low. But remember, I said we're actually looking out for the best entries and understanding it with price action. This is a high, a previous high here. This lower high you're seeing is also a high. Okay, must be a resistance level there. Now, this other lower high that formed could not even match close to this high here. So definitely we're expecting price to come back to test this level because we have a previous low here, and price came here, went up, failed at this point, creating a lower high because of the downtrend movement, and came back, tested the low here, a second retest of this previous low here, and gave a double bottom here, small double bottom, a pullback here, bottom, pullback, bottom. And then we're expecting price to come test this high, even not really coming to test it, but close to it. And there we go. All right. So that's understanding the price action with a candlestick confirmation. You take your trade, you'll be in good profit. All right. So understanding this will really keep you there. Okay. So also you can make another second entry by taking this trade. Okay. I'm going to just show you how you can take this trade. All right. All right, guys, permit me to take these lines. Okay. I don't really want to draw so much lines. Okay. Wait for price to create this resistance level there. Okay. Wait for price to create this level there. All right. Good. I hope you guys can see this. All right. So we have this low. Price actually came there. You can see this, right? You can see this. You can see this, and that's the drop. Good. That's a very nice one there. See, price created is high. This candlestick rejected, okay, from all of this support level here, okay. Okay, you see the rejection, made a move. You see another rejection here, the sellers making rejection for a sell. Price came back here again and went up. Now, you'll be like, what if the buyers, for no reason, be like, okay, the buyers are taking control because I'm seeing the support level here, that means the support level is strong. No, there's a whole selling pressure on this market, all right? there's a whole selling pressure on this market because of the market condition. All right, so you're just waiting to take the second entry. Okay, most traders will wait for a top touch here and they'll be in the trade. They'll put their pending orders here, and most traders, like I would advise and like I would do, is to wait for the break of all of these support levels here, and I'll be in the trade. Put my pending order here. That's what I do mostly at the support level. And seeing this rejection, I know price can never get there. For now, put my SL there, and you just be in that trade and make some good monies. All right. And also, I'm just gonna put this one, just drop this. Okay, I'm just gonna drop this. This is a leg. Okay, leg is a movement of price. Okay, this is a leg. All right. So if you measure that leg, we're expecting if it breaks out, price breaks out. Okay, we're expecting this kind of move to happen, and then we take profit. All right. So you don't get too greedy. All right. Just take your profit and good pips for you. All right. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Also, go to the bio, check the details about AVFX Hub, about us. Our link is there. Like the video, go to the site, go to about us. You're going to see the link. Click on it. Want to know more about us? Want to see how you can trade this effectively? Even when you think market's gone past you, you always have a second chance. Know more about us, register with us, come see how we do things at AVFX Hub. All right. Thank you guys for the time. See you next week.